Hi there, my name is Jenny MacDonald and I work at Skills Development Scotland as Sector Development Manager. You'll have met my career advisor colleagues during your time at school who support you with career management skills, but my role is quite different. I work in a team who work closely with key industries of Scotland to understand areas of current and future job demand and what that means for skills needs. I focus on the energy sector and in particular oil and gas transition. Being from Aberdeen, I am very aware of the ups and downs we've experienced in the oil and gas sector in recent years, and the impacts of these are often visible. Today I wanted to give you an update on a sector that is the backbone of the North East and how it is playing a transformative role in finding solutions to climate change. In recent years, through downturns and COVID, the oil and gas sector in Aberdeen has rapidly responded and moved into many different areas of energy. The traditional oil and gas sector as we know it really is a thing of the past. Aberdeen is fast becoming a global energy hub, with the world watching as we lead the way in decarbonising our traditional oil and gas extraction methods, reducing our carbon emissions and leading the way in new technology areas of hydrogen, wind and carbon capture storage. It's amazing to see examples on our doorstep, from the wind farm, which you can see at the Butch Boulevard, to the plans for carbon capture storage at Peterhead St Fergus Terminal, to the hydrogen buses in our city transporting us all. It really is exciting times. So what could this mean for you in the next few years as you leave school and enter the workplace, perhaps go to college, go and do an apprenticeship or go to university? There are 45,000 people in our city and shire working in the offshore energy sector, predominantly in oil and gas activities, but 5,000 in wind, hydrogen and carbon capture storage. Every day, government and companies themselves, who may have once been traditional oil companies, are committing significant amounts of money into the North East and our energy transition. This could mean, if invested, we need 9,000 people to join the energy sector in the North East by 2030. This offers lots of opportunities for young, new talent to enter the sector. So what kind of jobs could be available? There will be a real change in jobs available, with 3 out of 5 people by 2030 working in renewables in this area if this investment happens. But many of these opportunities will come from many individuals starting careers in oil and gas. And as these companies' activities become increasingly broader energy focused, as too will these jobs. There will be a need for engineers, skilled trades, particularly within fabrication and welding, data, digital and civil engineering in the long term. But the energy sector is also too becoming much more diverse and more flexible in terms of its working. So with changing work patterns, onshore working, there's also a broad range of opportunities out with some of these more traditional engineering roles. Local college and university provision is already changing to meet the change of job roles expected. In recent weeks, we've seen the launches of the first all-energy apprenticeship and an energy transition scholarship programme, as well as the emergence of energy engineering degrees. There is also work underway to enable those who join the sector to work more easily and have their skills recognised in other parts too, so you really can expect an all-energy career if you enter the sector. I hope what I've shared with you sets the scene for some of the conversations you will have later today. There's huge potential in Aberdeen City and Shire for large-scale energy employment, which will play a significant role in not only contributing to meet Scotland's net zero targets, but the UK and the world too, of which you could play a part. Thank you.